Huawei's Mate 90 series has previously been tipped to launch in September, separate from the Mate X-T2 trifold. A new Weibo leak has now revealed the key specs of the Huawei Mate 90 Pro Max. The leak confirms the Mate 90 Pro Max will run on the Kirin 9050 Pro based on the logical folding architecture that Huawei teased a while ago. Instead of packing more transistors into a smaller area the traditional way, Huawei is stacking circuits into a 3D structure, effectively trading spatial miniaturization for what it calls time miniaturization. Compared to the Kirin 9030 Pro in last year's Mate 80 series, transistor density has reportedly increased by 53.5%, chip area shrunk by 37.5%, and power consumption at matching performance drops by 41%. This should lead to better performance and efficiency. On the display side, the maker is reportedly using a 6.9-inch dual-layer OLED panel at 1.5K resolution. It will have LTPO for adaptive refresh rates and large rounded corners on a flat screen. The leak says the battery capacity will range from 6,800 mAh to 7,000 mAh, paired with 100W fast charging and Wi-Fi 7 support. The software side will be handled by the new HarmonyOS 7, which brings a new assistant called Xiaoyi along with added gaming features and a gaming console layer built into the OS that Huawei says will keep getting updates over time. On cameras, the rear setup could include a 200MP main sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP dual telephoto pair, and a third-generation red maple color camera, with a 15MP ultra-wide front camera and 3D face recognition for unlocking. Design-wise, it's expected to feature a new square camera module. However, the new Mate may not have an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner this generation either, as it's said to feature a side-mounted biometric like the Mate 80 series. Huawei hasn't confirmed a launch date for the Mate 90 series yet. Instead, it's holding a launch event tomorrow for new Mate PCs and the GT7 smartwatch.